Hey guys, what's up? It's Toast again from Fishyaker. It's about 5:45 in the evening right now. Overcast, gloomy, and yes, that's thunder. We got some pretty hardcore storms getting ready to roll in. River's still up a bit, muddy and nasty. I'm going to use that black spinner bait and throw it up here in the ditch. I can see down here is some mud turned up. Might be something down there. I think I saw something move when I first pulled over. And it's starting to rain a little bit. But anyway, just got back into town from Yak Attack with Lila. So gonna see what I missed out on the last few days. There we go. That was a little bass, I think, right there. Small, but he hit it. Huh. So guys, I'm back. Rain's over. More mud in the water. Ground soaking wet. I'm gonna try to rerun it. See what I can do. Maybe get another bite on this little black spinner. Ooh, there's a bite. Something there. Whoa. There's some. Come on, take it, take it. They're starting to follow me now. They like that one. They like that one. Fish a video mix. Up there. Oh, dude! This threw me right at the lightning strike. Did y'all see that? Oh my gosh! That was a pretty good hit, though. Wow, maybe it's coming back. Maybe it's coming back. Come on. Wow, that thing, whatever it was, hammered me right when the lightning struck. Wow, that felt good. Totally caught me off guard. Wow, that's crazy. Something just hit me right there when it hit the water. It's pretty good hit, biggest hit I've had all day. Right when lightning struck upstairs there, and then right when I pulled the spinner out of the water down here, something jumped up at it. Oh, dude. All right. Rain's coming again. I'm racing them. Come on, one fish, please. Come on. Ooh, ooh. So, I just sat out the better part of another round of crazy Armageddon thunderstorms. Still raining, but it's moving through, looking at the radar. Make a couple more casts before it gets dark. Maybe I'll pick something up. Faster pace, maybe. Ooh, there we go. What I got? Oh man, yes. Is that a muskie? You. Might have sliding down in the mud. Oh. Ah, dude. Well. There's the end result there. Twisted sideways, bent there. Dang. That was huge. Hope it didn't spook this stuff. I'll take him a couple more casts. I don't know how I would have gotten him up anyway. There. Oh, snap! They're schooled up all up there in the mouth. It was a bite. Something bumped it. There it is. Gotcha! Is that him again? That might be him again. Am I gonna get him up here without breaking my neck? Big freaking walleye! Oh my gosh! Look at that! That's what they are! Huge freaking walleye up in there! Woo! That was a pain. Look at that. Tail's been chewed up a little bit on him.
Fishyaker.com, the original kayak rigging video series.